வெங்கடேஸ்வரன். நேரு காலேஜஸ்ல ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். நாங்க இங்க வந்து ஆர்ட் எக்ஸிபிஷன்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். மாஸ்டர் பீஸ் அப்படிங்கிற பல தொகுப்புகள் வந்து இந்த மாஸ்டர் பீஸ் எக்ஸிபிஷன்ல வந்து நாங்க படைச்சிருக்கோம்.
Everyone has talent. Can we take a look at what happens when talent comes in front of all of us? So we have architecture, we have interior design in our college. But an artist, when he comes with a larger vision, I think everybody gets to explore that. It's not only the students, it's not only the teachers, it's not only the people who are coming into it. I think it's a great message to the society.
So I witnessed this and really thrilled, because in my lifetime I've seen a lot of work like this, but I never witnessed a work which is done from our own faculty, a part of our Nehru School of Institution. I really appreciate Ramesh for the different work which he has exhibited here.